AI is moving from writing emails to making life-changing decisions in finance, healthcare, and even global conflicts. But when an AI makes a mistake, "I don't know" is no longer an acceptable answer. Today, we're solving the black box problem. Think of advanced AI models like a black box. You see the input and the output, but the internal reasoning is a complex web of math that even developers can't fully trace. To build trust, we need to move toward a glass box approach, what we call AI attribution. This is the process of creating an audit trail for why an AI did what it did. Explainability hits 3 levels. Engineers need to know how the model's weights shifted. Managers need to know which specific data points led to a result. And finally, regulators and the public need to know if the decision was fair and legal. If you can't satisfy all 3, your AI is a liability. Every high-stakes AI decision should automatically save a log. You need the exact source data, the specific model version, the internal reasoning used, and most importantly, the human sign-off. As AI takes on more responsibility, explainability is the tax we pay for using powerful automation. To master the future of responsible AI, please like and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.